guys, I'm Sanjana.
Hi, I'm Dhritika.
I'm Srishti.
I'm Hussain.
And we are Bisharam. Hi, Hussain.
Thank you so much for having me,
I
guys.
feel like
Thank you so
just
much for
fangirling over it.
Same.
That's so sweet.
But yeah, Hussain, would you like to introduce yourself to our audience and tell them?
Yeah,
a
my
little
name
bit
is
who you
Mohammed
are?
Hussain. I am a stand-up comedian, writer. I am an MBA graduate.
Ooh.
Yes, yeah.
Very important.
Yeah. I did sales at ZTV.
Oh,
Yeah.
you did.
Yeah, I did. It was a bad job. Anybody asks you to do a sales job in a TV, don't do it.
Don't do
It's
it?
really bad. It's really bad. Yeah.
Oh, no.
And some of you might know me also as Mariam's husband.
Yes,
Uh,
that's funny.
All we know about him.
Yeah, and that's why I keep that at the end because I'm like, the reason I wanted to do this podcast also is because I want to have an identity of my own. I feel like I
Yeah.
can't just be Mariam's husband, the rest
Fair.
of my life. So
Yeah.
real.
Love
It's both MBA people sitting on this side
Yeah.
of the table. It's
education
I'm
and
still pursuing
Wow,
it.
गवार बुला दिया जॉब है तो क्या हुआ Okay,
कहीं-
thanks.
कहीं तो मेरा MBA काम आए.
Fair.
right? Okay. I know people say that. Honestly, it has been very useful in my career. I have to
It
say.
has. I've heard a lot of people. I spoke to a lot of people that I'm pursuing my MBA, whatever. They're like, it's not about the degree. It's just about the people that you meet and the contacts that you
100%.
make
100%.
Yes.
whilst your degree.
Yeah. Because
That's
all
all
those
MBA
people
is
are going
about.
to be having good jobs, and then one of them might help you.
Exactly. That's
Fair.
literally the entire
Fair.
point of
True,
any
true,
postgrad
true,
at this
true.
point. Not just the
Yeah.
MBA,
Yeah.
anything, I feel.
It happened for me. Like I lost my job immediately after I got married, and I remember writing down on my computer that I'm 60 days to unemployment, 59 days to unemployment because I was just
shit.
married,
Yeah.
And there's a lot of pressure, dude. Like शादी के time पे सब मेरे को पूछे तेरा salary कितने का है, and it was just
Yeah, that's a tough conversation to have.
yes,
especially
yeah.
with
Arranged marriage life में ये सब होता बहुत है.
बहुत, हाँ.
So that was and one of my friends from college got me my job, and which I kept for 8 months, and then was asked to not come again.
Subtly fired.
Subtly fired.
Subtly
Wow.
fired.
I was so the agency that I was working for was on a retainer with one big client,
Okay.
and they have a competition
Okay.
who obviously we are not allowed to work with, but
Yeah.
I was moonlighting,
Oh.
was trying to grow my career and all that.
Yeah.
It had gotten to a point where moonlighting was making me more money than my day job, so I was thinking about quitting,
Yeah.
but I was found out
Oh no.
because I very
Busted.
naively posted on my Instagram. Worked with this cool team, and
Oh,
then they were
no.
like, "What the fuck?" And
shit.
yeah, yeah.
Damn. I thought someone snitched on you, but you snitched on yourself.
Myself, yes.
Yeah.
Dude, I didn't know that important people were following me.
Ooh.
Like I had 4,000 followers at that time, so it wasn't like I was a social
Yeah.
media person, It was just
Fair.
yeah.
True.
And haven't had a job since.
I fully agree to the point where you said that nahi shaadi ho rahi hoti hai and then it's arranged marriage setting. People ask you how much you're earning.
Yes.
Because recently one of my colleague is getting married. Like I think day after tomorrow she's getting married.
Crazy.
Yeah. And so I think it's a intercaste marriage and her parents were not allowing her to get married to him. Neither were his parents. Then once she was like, oh, he earns this much. Then they were like slightly considering.
Okay, so he's earning well enough.
He's earning
That's
very
great.
well.
That's
and
great.
then she was
Yeah, that
like,
solves a lot of issues.
It does.
yeah, and then her father
Money is
actually.
great, guys. Who does what?
Yeah,
Love
man.
money.
Money's beautiful.
Love
Low-key,
money.
love
as,
money.
as shallow as I sound, I will marry for money. To some
Love
extent,
money.
I will.
Of course.
I agree with you. You should.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
You should.
Yeah,
I'd
right?
rather be like rich and sad than poor and sad.
But that's
Then
not
poor and
that's not
happy,
the only two choices.
I
Yeah.
know,
Like rich
but
people can be nice.
And
For
happy.
sure, for sure.
And
But
happy.
if push
And
comes to
happy.
shove, if it's the worst case scenario,
Yes.
I don't care being sad, crying in my fucking mansion. I'll
True.
do it.
Yeah. With
Yeah.
with staff helping you.
Yeah, no, of
Otherwise,
course.
mansion
If
is
it's
too
a
much.
mansion,
I'm
then
not.
of course,
Yeah,
that's-
I'm not
yeah.
going to wear my own shoes. Sorry.
No, dude, you'd be surprised. I have a lot of cousin sisters, family, relatives who I've seen get arranged married to really rich dudes with the same
Yes.
attitude. But those rich dudes are assholes, bro.
Yeah.
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 They're going out of their way to make their wives' lives miserable. Like
Yes.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yes.
them, the rest of the family, they're like, नहीं
no.
नहीं, maid नहीं रखेंगे हम.
हाँ, हाँ.
क्यों नहीं रखोगे
क्यों
भाई?
नहीं रखोगे भाई?
रख लो
Exactly.
यार.
Yeah, we will circle back to that point very
Yeah.
soon. But sorry, Srishti, we cut you off.
Sorry.
So her dad, he had asked for his like pay slips and all to check if he actually earns that much. And then I was very surprised. And then she was like, no, it's very normal.
It is.
Should
is
it be
it?
normalized though?
It shouldn't, but like
Loki,
As-
I get it. Like, he's a father and all of that.
I think as I have gotten a few years older and I have nieces now, I 100% want to know. Like eventually, 20 years from now, when my niece is getting married, I want to know what
You
want
wanna
to
see the proof?
100%. I want to see his pay slip. I want to speak to his boss. I want to speak to his school teacher. What has
no,
this
that
boy
is
been
so
like?
true though, because okay, because we are like 21, 22. Actually 22 now.
22.
50 just turned 22
Hey, congratulations.
in April. But I feel like the older we've gotten, I think I have always been very, very serious when it comes to the concept of marriage. But I think now I've just become crazier when it comes to, like, you know, the entire concept, the idea of marriage has made me crazier. And I genuinely agree when people go out of their way to do crazy things to, like, you know, ensure that they're safe.
Yes.
Or like for parents
Yeah.
as well, like, you know, I'm not, when you said that they asked for the payslip, I wasn't as surprised because I'm like, go get it. Like, that's
Yeah.
your daughter. That's that's your
Yeah,
blood.
exactly.
I mean, you should. So I
Yeah.
completely agree with that.
It is just that, dude. Every father wants to know, ये मेरी बेटी को मारेगा नहीं ना? And ये मेरी बेटी को 3 वक्त का खाना खिला देगा कि
No
नहीं?
sukhi roti is happening.
Yeah,
No
that,
sukhi
that
rotis
this
happening.
much you and like it's fair, bro. It's fair enough for you to
yeah, no,
have
absolutely.
that expectation.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
yeah,
I
yeah.
agree with you.
Although I wasn't earning anything when I got married, by the way, I just have to say, I
Damn.
just got my job and I got fired immediately.
Oh no! So
Because
what was it like for you?
the role got redundant.
for you and Mariam.
Nobody in my family knew that I had been asked to, because I wasn't fired immediately. Like my role had become redundant, so they gave me like a 2-month notice, which
Okay.
was fair
Okay.
enough time.
Yeah.
And during that time, I was able to land on another job, like I said. But yeah, it was a very stressful time, dude. Because she wasn't earning. She just finished studying.
Yeah.
Okay.
तो internship करने का time आ रहा था उसका. So that was not going to happen. And yeah, it's a lot of pressure. It is a lot of pressure. But luckily, my family has been very supportive throughout my
Lovely.
life, at least financially.
Okay.
बाकी सब maybe not. Stand up comedy करेगा बेटा तू? Yeah, so maybe not there, but financially they've always. So
Yeah.
when I moved to Mumbai and brought Mariam here with me, I had come here with like a 2-year timeline of like,
Yeah.
if I can make it in 2 years trying to do what I want to do, I'll stay. Otherwise,
You're going back.
dad's business. You know, like every Gujarati, Marwadi, Sindhi person.
Yeah, you're sitting next to one as well.
Yeah. Dude, I come to South Bombay, I assume I'm going to meet one of you.
But yeah, I mean, what was it like for you when you and Mariam got together and, like, you know, the whole
So I was
setting.
in second year degree when this subject was broached. I was 19 years old, and Mariam is 2.5 years younger than me. So
Yeah.
she was 17.
16 and a half?
16 and a half. No, see, she had turned 17, and I was on the verge of
Okay,
turning 20.
okay.
20. Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, it was wild. I said no several times
Okay.
to my family that this is a stupid idea. Please don't even bring this subject up. I am 19.
Yeah.
I have my whole life in front of
Yeah,
me.
yeah.
You know? But eventually it got like I explained it to myself at that time that this is a girl who I know, family who I know. So it's all a pro con list, no, at the end of the day. Like
Yeah.
Yeah.
pros, girl is great, family is great, knows my family, we know, like the families know each other,
Yeah.
we know each
Yeah.
other. There is
Yeah.
like a good understanding there. And the con is I don't get to fuck around in college. So I waited those two opportunities and I
Yeah,
said,
and 19 is the age where you fuck around.
yes. So people say.
People are right.
So I was like giving up a few years of partying. Because in my family, people do get married young. Even हमारे standards के हिसाब से भी ये बहुत जल्दी हुआ था. But like my brother got married at 25.
Okay.
That's
So
decent.
like I saw that happening in
Yeah.
my life as well. About 24, 25 is when it's going to happen for me
Correct.
also. So there was like 3-4 year gap where I went to Pune to study and could
Oh,
have
you
been a
were to
different life.
Pune.
Yeah. Pune is famous for its celebrity. Yeah, people are very like close grouped.
Close.
Very,
Very
very
close.
close. Everyone
close
knows each
group.
other.
Everybody knows.
Yeah,
everybody.
yeah.
It's
Very
like
close
a
group.
family only.
Yeah, so it was tough, but I weighed those options and I thought that this was the right choice. And as years went by, it became harder and harder to justify why I have said yes. And then it got to a point where, you know, like eventually when you reach 27, 28, I don't know what you guys
We
do
fully
in your
know.
Don't know,
day-to-day
not there
life.
yet.
Like if you're like a party person right now,
Yeah.
by 27, 28, all the people you're partying with, 4 of them will start running
Yeah.
marathons. And like they'll be like, and then they'll be like, oh, actually, you know, just one beer is fine for me. And then they all get there.
Yeah.
Yeah, they all get
right?
there. Yeah.
Yeah.
So once people reach that point, people start appreciating. Tera to acha ho gaya yaar. You found somebody early,
Yeah.
it's fine, and you guys like each other, it's all good.
Yeah.
But for 5 years, especially in college and all, people used to introduce me like that. This is married Muhammad.
God.
Yeah. I remember once a girl accused me because I didn't tell her that I was engaged, and I was like, how am I supposed to bring it up
Yeah. Why
in my
would I
first
bring it up?
conversation? Hi, my name is Hussain. I'm engaged.
She expected you as a friend to just bring that up in conversation.
So she was really drunk. This was like early days of my Pune college life.
Okay.
Where everybody sort of getting to know everybody and all that.
Yeah.
And I had consciously posted a picture with Mariam on my Instagram
Okay.
Yeah.
to like, you know,
Soft
hey,
launch. Actually,
Yeah.
hard launch.
very hard launch.
launch.
Super hard launch. Like, hey, like,
Yeah.
Baby.
because bro, like, exactly. Because I was like, I don't know, I don't trust myself.
Okay.
In the you know, having, because Pune mein kaun hai? Kisko pata chalne wala hai?
Okay.
Right?
Valid.
So I had to make sure I don't get in my own way
Okay.
and ruin something.
Yeah, fair, fair.
Ruin my relationship. So yeah, so that's why I hard launched it on my Instagram. But even then, they were in the early days in college. There were people like saying like, "Oh, you should tell." Should I wear like a poster and walk around? What am I supposed to do?
Tattoo.
You should wear sindoor.
Yeah.
You should have worn
Yeah,
it.
you know what? I should have thought of that. Yeah. Rings भी नहीं होती हमारे में तो ring भी नहीं थी मेरे पास.
मंगलसूत्र होता है ना?
नहीं होता ना. नहीं होता है.
Oh wait, I had a Muslim friend who told me that होता है.
Culturally वो कर रहे होंगे. Yeah.
तूने बोला है. उसने बोला है. वही तो बैठी
No,
है.
so that's because in India, the Muslims in India are very culturally like close to
flexible.
like Hinduism and all
Ah,
that. Like there
fair,
are certain,
fair.
certain things you pick up, no, from
Yeah,
culture.
fair.
That's
Yeah.
true.
Like my family only, like 2 generations ago, when the new bahu would come home, knock like a pot of rice and all that.
Oh.
हमारे घर पे भी होता था. Then somebody woke up and was like, "अरे, ये तो हमारे कुरान में तो नहीं लिखा." Then they're like, "Okay, I guess we'll not do that now. I guess we'll not do that now." Yeah.
अच्छी
This is
चीज
interesting.
कोई अच्छी चीज होती है तो मेरे मुंह से भी इंशाल्लाह निकल ही जाता है.
हाँ भाई. बहुत
Yeah, Anne Hathaway, bro. Anne Hathaway had a video right now. I was like, oh my god, Anne Hathaway. I didn't know you were one of us. What happened?
I didn't know you were cultured like that.
Yeah, I always liked Anne Hathaway, dude.
Oh, no, she's a gorgeous
Annie
woman.
She's
Hathaway,
amazing.
by the way.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
It's a proper noun.
Yeah, no, but like the whole thing
I
came
know she
about.
corrected her.
It's like,
yeah.
oh, when people are mad at me, they call me Anne Hathaway. I don't give a shit, bro. Like, I'm gonna call you whatever I want to call you.
But fair.
Is she asked people to call her Annie Hathaway?
Yeah,
Oh,
she
then
specifically
we should.
mentioned my name
Yeah.
is Annie
Then we
Hathaway,
should,
not
we
Anne
should.
Hathaway.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then I think right after that or before that, Kalki also came up and said that it's not Cochlin, it's Kekla.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I know.
And I was like,
Then fix your spelling,
Yeah,
dude.
I
Like,
was like, K-E-K-L-A is not difficult to write.
yeah.
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 It's not.
Cochlin, Kekla. Sorry.
Yeah,
Those
bro.
are poles apart. You can't expect me to call you Kekla with a
100%.
Cochlin.
No
spelling.
way, no way,
Yeah.
no
I'm
fucking
I'm sorry.
way.
I'm sorry.
Change
Kalki.
your name. Spelling.
Yeah, change it.
Aadhaar card pe
Bro,
dikha do
Kekla is
हमारे
easy to write.
100%.
As compared to Cochlin.
Easy to
Just
write.
do it. Yeah, man. Just do it.
Okay, circling back, talking about arranged
Look at that
marriage.
MBA popping out. Let's circle back from this blue sky. Woo!
We missed the point
Love
over
it.
here. I'm just gonna
Loved
circle
it.
back to what we were discussing earlier.
Loved it,
Please go
yes.
on, sir.
Please, sorry. I'm sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
But I saw the MBA and I couldn't resist. I'm sorry.
I just gave a presentation today as well.
Very MBA thing to do. Absolutely.
I've started a PPT IP where I sit Mariam across me and I
Yeah,
have a PPT on my
I've
TV.
seen them. I've seen them.
And I give her like an annual review of what it's been like being her husband.
Yes.
Stop it.
And I'm like, our strengths have been this, our weaknesses have been this, and for the next quarter we are looking
Wow.
like,
Yeah.
It's like a relationship audit.
yeah.
Yeah.
I would want my man to do that, man. That is adorable.
It was so fun.
Oh,
Then I
Which
made
bitch
her
taught
do
you
one
that?
for me.
Which bitch taught you that?
I saw at on New Year's someone do a video like that.
Okay.
And I was like, this is such a great idea.
Yeah.
And I want to make a presentation.
Yeah.
Like like I haven't made a presentation in a while.
Since college.
Since college, yeah. So I made a PPT, and then it did really well. So I made a PPT for Mariam
Yeah.
to deliver to me my review. Obviously, she added her unnecessary sass on it. And yeah,
Two
and
cents.
we've done like several videos like that.
That is
Yeah.
very,
Very,
very
cute.
As,
Circling back to your point.
as summarized by my colleague.
Absolutely.
And
love it.
circling back to my thought, I am like, when you were talking about arranged marriages, I am genuinely scared. Like, I
You
don't
should
know
be.
why, right? But all of my friends at this point, they are like fully, I don't know why they are pro arranged marriage. Like all the friends who are 25, 26,
It
and
happens.
27.
I think you hit
it
that
happens.
age and then you're like, maybe parents can decide.
When you match with the same person for the third time on Hinge, you're like, mom, who was the कौन अमेरिका वाला कौन सा लड़का था वो? You know, eventually
हाँ भेज दो मेरी.
भेज दो मेरा अच्छा वाला फोटो भेज दो.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like मेरे बाजू में भी एक colleague है. She is also getting arranged marriage. And then one of my best friend also, she has enrolled herself into like multiple, what do you say?
Portal.
Matrimonial websites and like
Oh, yeah.
groups and all of that.
Yeah.
But the matches that she is getting are so
Oh, yeah.
bad.
She's a gorgeous woman and she
Oh,
sent us
yeah.
those.
It's
Maddening.
funny.
You wouldn't look at them even if they were 9. You would be like, ये इंसानी है.
And her parents are like, तो क्या हुआ? तो मतलब ये 5-4 है तो क्या ही हुआ? ठीक ही है.
Yeah, but like, see, the thing is, no, like if you see, as a person who's been arranged married, I'm not going to sit here and be like arranged marriage is the best kind of marriage.
Okay.
Although I have a stand-up video saying that,
Yeah.
saying as much. But honestly, it doesn't matter love marriage, arranged marriage. What matters is who's sitting across. you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
True.
at the end of the day, that's the thing. If you कैसे भी मिले, arranged marriage से मिले, love marriage से मिले, वो
Yeah,
person is
precisely.
So my parents are also like, they got married in a arranged marriage setting, and I'll tell you the story. It's damn fun. So my dad and my mom, they met through my mom's uncle, and my dad was a clearinghouse agent, and my nanu, my mom's father, was a clearinghouse superintendent. Like he was an officer in the docks. So they would often work together.
Ooh.
Yeah, and my dad used to be like, my dad is
Let's
very.
get it.
My dad was very like, how do you say, मस्ती करते थे बहुत सबके साथ.
Sure.
Full time pass.
Sure.
And then he used.
I was also very nice to my father-in-law. I should drop him to the airport. I should drop him to the airport and all. सुबह 4 बजे का flight है. नहीं अंकल आप टैक्सी मत लो मैं छोड़ दूँगा.
No, my dad didn't know na that he was eventually going to marry his
Oh,
daughter.
he was just a nice person. Your dad.
He just knew him as his superior, nothing
Okay,
more than
nothing
that
more than
at
that.
that time.
And my dad used to bully my nanu.
What?
Yeah, my dad used
Baller.
to bully my
ये roles
nanu.
reverse
like,
क्यों हो रहे हैं अभी?
So नानू को फॉर्म्स भरने पड़ते थे ना for the
Yeah.
last container to get out. And my dad used to say नहीं दूंगा जा. दूंगा ही नहीं.
How did
It
your
was-
nanu agree?
He was not agreeing. So once my nanu was not in town, and that's when through my mom's uncle they like met. They had the family showing setting
who
thing.
met?
My mom and my dad.
They knew each other.
No.
Their secret meeting. Arranged marriage, but like Nanu
setting.
is not involved.
Nanu was in the village, and mom's uncle showed my dad and my
Okay.
mom to each other with the families. And then both of them, they spoke for a bit. And then my mom was like, I want to meet him alone in person. I want to get to know him. Like, how is this
Damn,
guy?
progressive.
Very, very, very.
Yeah.
And then both of them met and they spoke for like 4.5, 5 hours straight.
Yeah.
And my mom was damn impressed. She was like, बहुत बात करता है, but अच्छा है.
But good man.
You're a little talkative, but
I'll listen.
But अच्छा है. And then he dropped my mom home and then he was waiting for an answer. So she really.
that, by the way, हमारे में भी लड़के वाला रिश्ता भेजते हैं.
हाँ.
Those 7 days.
Oh,
Tough.
on your
This
toes.
is-
Yeah.
This is like in 3-4 days of them meeting once and the second time they met. And then तो वो लोग बैठ के बात कर रहे थे तो पापा मम्मा को पूछ रहे थे कि क्या खाएगी तो mom was not eating anything. So he was ordering like multiple Fanta for her.
Oh.
तो एक खत्म हो गया एंड देन ही वाज लाइक एक और लेके आओ. ऐसे 3-4 तो मम्मा ने बैठ के पी लिए थे बिकॉज शी वाज नॉट yapping, my dad was yapping. And then she wanted to pee really bad, so my dad dropped her off.
That's so
And
smart.
then she just ran into the bathroom, and then like my
From the
nanny
liquids.
and then my nanny is just like banging on the washroom door. She's like, हाँ या ना क्या एक बोल दे अभी इतना मिल के आई है वगैरह. And then my mom, she screamed from inside, हाँ.
Oh, that
And then
too cute, bro.
Then my nanny, she
I'm
called. My nanny called my dadu and she told him कि हमारे side से hi. And then my dad had just reached our building, and then my dadu yelled from the window of our house,
damn.
like
This is so like
in front
Really,
of
dude?
movie
Yeah.
code.
Yeah.
Yeah, fully. And then my dadu was like कि वो हाँ बोली. And then all my dad's friends were like, hey, crazy.
go, yeah.
You're getting married. All this has happened. Now full fix हो गया. Then comes my nanu. And then he's
नानू
like,
पता ही नहीं ये सब हुआ है.
नानू पता ही
नानू को कुछ पता ही नहीं
Oh,
है.
what?
Yes.
That's wild, dude.
And then Nanu comes
नानी
over.
जी, नानी जी,
Bro, Chachu.
चाचू और नानी जी
Chachu
भाई.
sitting in the driver's seat.
Your nanu was about to have अब तो हम समधी बन गए moment.
And then there was a meeting where Nanu met my dad, and then he was like, hey, nahi, no, I'm not.
my God.
And then my Nanu was like, no, you're not getting married to him. Then my mom was like, no, I really like him. So my Nanu was like, okay, इनके कुंडली मिलाते हैं, देखते हैं. तो उनकी
He's going for a Hail Mary attempt. Let the God say no, guy, please.
Last try.
तो उनकी कुंडली मतलब मिल तो गई थी, बट इट वाज वेरी मिड. लाइक उनके शादी के गुण
mid
ज्यादा
कुंडली.
नहीं थे, शादी के नहीं थे, बट फ्रेंडशिप के ज्यादा थे.
Sure.
So my nanny was like, this is a very nice sign. You should actually go for it. And then my mom was also like, okay, I'll go. Because what my mom liked about my dad was he had a house of his own. छोटा सा का हुई ना मतलब
It's all there.
Yeah.
It's all there, bro.
it was not like family home, like dad या mom का घर नहीं था, उन्होंने खुद से खरीदा था. So then she was really
Yeah.
impressed by that, and then she was like, okay, I want to get married to this man only.
Crazy.
That all happened. Now years later, we get to know that my dad never had a birth chart only. He never had a kundli. He went to the pandit, so he got
He
my
made
mom's kundli, and he went to the pandit, and,
And
he
he
was
still
like,
made a mid one.
yeah, he read his own kundli.
He cheated in the exam and he still like got 50%.
Yeah. He was like, ज़्यादा
Meant to be,
करूँगा तो
like-
cheating पकड़ी जाएगी.
That is your dad was
Meant
like
to be, bro.
he knew his game,
He
bro.
played- he
Yeah,
played it well,
Played
he
his
played it well.
cards
played it
right.
so well.
That is hilarious,
crazy,
dude.
dude.
That's very
That's
cute.
crazy.
And they're like madly in love now also. They talk on calls for like 6-7 hours a day.
That's so sweet.
Yeah,
man.
man.
And
Sweet.
घर
A
पे
long night
आके भी
continue, yeah.
या घर पे भी आके मतलब दोनों एक दूसरे से बातें करते रहते हैं. I don't-
Full simp. Even my
Mariam,
dad's a full
by the
simp.
way,
Yeah.
said no to a guy who had like his own money for me,
For you who didn't have money.
who did not have anything.
That is mad.
Bro, I,
That is
I,
real
I,
love.
yep,
Yeah, that's real.
I told her, I would marry that guy. Dude, what are you saying? What are you saying?
Insane.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, it was crazy, dude. It was crazy. She used to have a crush on me. If you guys have her on, ask her about it. She gets really embarrassed.
We'll make
I
sure to
have
know that.
I have proof.
Oh,
The day
okay.
me and Mariam fight, I will put all those messages out on the internet. When she was like 14, 15, she would send me messages
Like,
on Facebook. At that time,
How
Facebook was a
was
thing.
it?
Yeah, they're old.
No, just like,
hi,
hello, hi, what you're doing? Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy birthday.
So cute.
We are going to Surat for the wedding. Are you coming? Like, you know.
Oh, damn.
That's adorable, man.
That is cute.
And you know what? I was so stupid. I didn't see it at all.
Yeah, you're a man.
We
You're a
got we
man.
got married several years later. She was like, "You remember? I used to like send you all these messages." I was like, "Yeah." I always thought like, "Oh, why is she sending me messages?" Like, cause I like
Yeah,
you.
stupid.
Very stupid.
Spoken like a
Yeah.
true man.
Yeah, dude.
But
Yeah.
how has it been different from before you guys got married versus like after? Has there been like a shift?
Yeah, we started
in-
living together. That
Before?
was like after we got married, we started
Okay.
living together.
Huh,
That was a
yeah.
huge change.
Okay.
For sure.
New city. It's just me and her, and we were like, I was 25 when we got married, and
Okay, so y'all got engaged when you were 19.
19. We got
Okay.
married at 25.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, because even our parents were like, "This is really early,"
ठीक है.
but प्रॉब्लम ये था कि उसके रिश्ते बहुत आ रहे थे.
Okay.
मरियम के रिश्ते बहुत आ
हाँ,
रहे थे.
हाँ.
ठीक है.
So my family was like, before stocks run out,
Lock in.
Yeah.
Lock
you
in.
need to lock it. Lock
हम
it.
चप्पल रख के आते हैं.
हाँ. नहीं रोक दिया हमने. कोई और आ नहीं सकता यहाँ पे.
That's
Yeah.
how the name comes, Roka.
I assume so.
Right?
I assume so.
Ooh.
Yeah. Thank you.
Makes
I
sense.
don't
That's my contribution. That's my contribution to Bay Sharm. Yeah.
Anyways, you were
It's
saying,
crazy.
but
yeah.
yeah.
So that's why we got engaged that early. And for the first year, our parents forbid us from talking to each other because they were like, ये लोग बच्चे हैं. मेरे को Toblerone पसंद है, मेरे को Cadbury पसंद है, लड़ लेंगे और बोल देंगे शादी नहीं करनी हमें. तो तुम लोग बात मत करो. Mariam is still to this day upset that I never like broke that curfew to like get her because I
get
could
her
have got
anger.
got
I
her
get her.
number.
I get her angle.
Yeah, see, the
Yeah.
thing is, I understand where she's coming from, but this is not like a boyfriend-girlfriend relationship. No, this is like her
Family is
parents are
involved.
involved, and her parents
fair.
have said, "Don't contact our daughter." I have to be respectful of that
Yeah.
as the man.
But you want a little bit also rebellious or
हाँ यार,
what?
थोड़ा सा.
No, I've been very rebellious in my life, but in this, I'm not disappointing my parents. No, that's I'm disappointing her parents, and I need
Yeah,
to
I know
I need to maintain a relationship
that
like
relationship. Valid.
hey,
True,
there's-
true, true.
so she contacted me, and I was on the toilet at the time, which is something that she keeps bringing up. I shouldn't have said it here. I don't know why.
Even my mom was.
yeah, see, that's where all the gold happens.
Yeah, no, even my parents. So my mom lived in Bhiwandi.
That's where all the gold.
That's it. Thank you for appreciating. It took a while.
got it.
It took a while for the penny to drop. Yeah, it didn't make a big splash. It trickled down.
A little kiss.
Yeah. Let's close the lid on it now.
Wow. Yeah. It's so cute because you guys have spoken about like arranged marriages, about your parents and like your relationship. And because my parents had like a love marriage, it was so different because my parents have a 9-year age gap, okay? And and my parents were working at the same company when they originally met. And my dad saw my mom and he was like, oh my God, beautiful, beautiful woman. And my mom was like, wish I could say the same, but no, but they met at this company that they were working together at, and they used to hang out like a lot, like, you know, of course, like when they were dating or whatever, without their parents knowing. And my dad was my mom's first boyfriend, but my mom wasn't my dad's first girlfriend.
Ooh,
And uncle knew his game. Yeah. Can we not?
That's your dad. That's your dad, dude. Wow.
Yeah.
Uncle was a player, but like.
No, he was because he taught my mom how to kiss.
Oh.
My dad had taught my mom how to kiss. And
Insane. Insane.
like, yeah, because I think they met when she was 20. Yeah, and my dad. That sounds very, very concerning, but
Very, very.
yeah, 20, and my dad was 29 or something,
Different
and
times.
then very different times. And like, you know, because at that age, my dad had already done the things that
Yeah.
people in their early 20s do.
Do.
And then my mom was like, fuck you.
Just starting.
I want to do this too, so you're going to have to do it with me. So all the things that my mom was doing, my dad was just tagging along. And that, you know, when she used to
yeah.
talk about things that they used to do when they were coaching. And they
Yeah.
dated for 5 years. It was just really sweet, dude. Like to know that my dad also, even though he was done and dusted with all of the things that young people do, he still did it with my mom. And I was like,
Yeah.
That's adorable.
cute, very, very cute.
It is. And plus, it's also like. See, love marriage and arranged marriage, no, you all follow the same steps. They just happen in different sequences.
Yeah.
True.
Like
True.
in love marriage, let's say your parents, they met, they spent time together, they fell in love, met the parents, got married.
Yeah.
In arranged marriage, you meet the parents, you meet each other, you fall in love, and then you
Yeah.
get married.
Yeah.
Because nowadays, arranged marriage is not like aaj mile parso shadi hui.
हाँ,
Like, you
हाँ.
know, like
Yeah,
even
yeah.
your parents, like the
Yeah,
story you
they
said.
spent.
the-
Yeah.
Yeah, like
They
I
met
had a
each
5-year
other.
courtship, dude.
Yeah, I know a
Like-
lot of people, even both my brothers, when they got married, they had a courtship of around 9 months. And I
Yeah.
think that's pretty decent. You need that in an arranged
You
marriage
need that.
setting at least.
Definitely,
Yeah.
definitely. And then at the end of it, you should be able to be like, hey, this is not working out.
Yeah.
Best of luck for you, best of luck for me.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah,
we just
true,
move
true,
on
true,
from
true,
there.
true.
Because in today's day and age, you do need that little beta testing period of like,
Yeah,
You
true,
do,
true.
you do.
How is
You
it
know,
going on?
you would be actually surprised. My mom has actually said this to me that before getting married, make sure you are in a live-in relationship.
Oh, so true.
Oh.
My mom has
Yeah.
said that to me multiple times.
Yeah.
Because she was like, smallest of the smallest things, like the AC temperature can cause divorces.
Got divorces. I mean, we
Yes.
fight every day, but that happens with most couples, I think.
Yeah.
That AC temperature thing, no, is like
You can never agree on the same thing.
it's
Yeah,
it's
one's
really,
one's freezing and the other one's sweating.
Yeah.
yeah. It's
No,
always
but
like that.
what if you both are like, you like this to have the same AC temperature?
Then good, no?
It's very rare.
Good.
Very rare. I'm around everyone who's in a relationship. I don't know one couple that agrees on the AC temperature.
What's your equation?
Me and Mariam sleep in different blankets. Like we don't have one. Like
Oh,
Same,
my God.
actually,
Separate
that
blanket.
is so good.
I
I
love
sleep
that.
in my OG Solapuri
Yes.
blanket, and she's like, "This is too poor for me.
No.
I need my, what quilt."
No, I
I'm
get
like,
it.
bro, I can't do quilt.
I
I
get
need
it.
my fabric to be breathable.
Yeah,
Get it.
yes.
Because I
Agreed.
sweat a lot. so
हवा
I
आना
need, like,
चाहिए.
हवा आना चाहिए, अंदर बाहर होना चाहिए.
Ventilation.
Dude, even with the AC on, I can't sleep inside a quilt. I'm like, it
It's
feels
too hot.
suffocating.
Yeah.
Oh.
And
I need to feel cold under the blanket so I'm comfortable.
Yeah, just like.
Yeah.
Man.
But what were certain quirks that you realized, or like for the matter of fact, even Mariam realized about you after you guys got married, and you're like, shit, abhi to lock in. Now we can't escape.
Luckily, I don't think. I mean, you'd need to ask her. But
Okay.
ऐसा कुछ crazy ऐसा नहीं है. Fuck, I didn't know this about her. Because our courtship was 5 years. I knew everything about her.
Okay.
The only thing that changed after our wedding was that now we were legally allowed to hang out with each other. Because before that, I used to sneak.
Okay.
Okay.
Like, I'm engaged to this person.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I'm going to meet her without my and her parents knowing
Yeah.
that हम लोग मिल रहे हैं. मैं पुणे से अहमदाबाद जाता था overnight train लेके उससे मिलने. And one time it was torrential rain, okay?
Yeah.
But I've traveled 12 hours already. So her parents like, college नहीं जाना है आज. And she's like, नहीं मेरे को बहुत जरूरी presentation है. I'm sitting at like a cafe, like I don't know if she's coming. Like, I'm on the way.
Presentation बचा लेता है.
Presentation
बच्चा
saves
ही लेता है.
relationships.
She told me after we got married that she told her mom that I was in
Oh.
town.
Oh,
That's how she was allowed to come out to meet
Okay.
me.
that's so like.
Sweet.
This one time I went to meet her just like this, and like I'd moved to Bombay by then, doing that sales job, and but now I have Saturday Sunday off, right?
Yeah.
So I was like, I took Friday off from work and I went there. So I was like, I get because dude, overnight like trains and all that it
Yeah,
weighs on,
taxing.
right?
Yeah,
It's
it
taxing.
is.
So अभी मैं 3 दिन हम like we'll hang out. Obviously at 5 o'clock she has to go back home also, right? Because अभी college कितना बाहर रही
कितना भाई हाँ भाई कितना पढ़ रही है?
कितना पढ़ रही है?
college.
Yeah, रोज 4 बजे आ जाती है, अचानक से 10 बजे आ रही है. बहुत पढ़ाई कर रही है, like whatever. So this one time I took a day off, went there on Friday. On Saturday, her aunt came over. So now it's like I have to spend the weekend with my aunt. Like my mom, my aunt, we all have plans.
Yeah.
And she told me like, I guess you'll have to go back home then.
Oh
Oh.
So Friday, I've come Friday morning, Friday night, I'm sitting in a bus, like just sad, like this whole journey.
Sad. That's
Oh,
a
man, that's
sad
tough.
ride back
That's tough.
home.
Yeah. So we.
I think if any guy in this day and age would have faced
Yeah.
that, he would have like
Broken up.
I can't blame her. No? Like, what am I supposed to say?
Yeah,
Teri auntie
That
ko bol,
is
"Hey,
you.
auntie."
That is you. That is you. That's your
Yeah.
equation with her. I think
Yeah.
with a lot of
men, we
Boys.
can't even call them men.
Boys, yeah.
that's a stretch.
Boys.
Boys that I've dealt with, I think it doesn't take much for them to be like, okay, I'm
out.
I'm
out.
out.
Yeah.
And I think that's why it's also been such a struggle for like all of us to.
Yeah.
It's
Find
not
a-
like I'm not saying that I'm going to get married like now, but now is when I would ideally like to start because I would like to have a good time period to like
Yeah.
date.
Yeah.
So
I
I wouldn't
don't
want to
know.
marry in like a year or two. That's just
Yeah.
me personally. I would like to have dated for a couple of years before I.
Yeah, at least 4. At least 3, 4. 3 is a good number.
Bro, 2, I think 2 is the least.
No, bro, 5 is the least for me, which is also like a stretch because that means I'll have had to found someone like yesterday
Yeah.
to then be married by 27.
Bro, don't put this.
No,
don't
I know,
put these
I know,
timelines
I
on your
know.
But
head,
she
bro.
likes doing that.
I
She
Bro,
like
is
that.
that
I'm
person.
fucked like that.
It is going to ruin your life.
I
Stop
am
doing
well
that.
aware.
Stop doing this. Because by 30, I was supposed to do so much with my life. And I'm here, you know, because I used to do the same thing.
Yeah.
Don't do that. Don't put a timeline to your life. When you meet the right person, you spend 2 years, 1 year, 3 years. That when that equation
fair.
happens, it will happen.
You'll know.
Yeah, you'll know. And if it doesn't happen, cats are great.
I hate cats. Sorry.
Yeah,
I
dogs
love
are
Dogs
great.
are beautiful. Dogs are beautiful.
Chameleons are great, you know.
I was very huge on getting married early when I was very small and all of that. But now that
Yesterday.
But now that I've traveled a lot, I've stayed alone and all of that, I've realized that I don't even like it's not even, how do I explain it?
You don't know yourself well enough
No,
to
it's like I don't mind getting married late, like in my 30s also, if I get to spend time with the partner that I'm
Okay.
going to be with.
Yeah.
Like, but 3 or 2 years minimum, I want to know the person and I want to live with the person.
That's so true. I wanted to circle back to the living in bit because I also feel that arranged marriage setting, I can't speak because I don't know much about that. But in a love marriage setting, I feel like I would want to live in with my partner for even if it's just like for a year. I would
Yeah.
want to beta test it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I understand where you're coming from, but as someone who didn't do that, because
Yeah.
we started living together
Yeah.
after we got married.
Married, yeah.
I didn't see any, like, because I don't know if it's maybe because we had spent so much time together. We were together for 5 years. They've like we'd already been in a proper long-term committed relationship.
Yeah.
For us to then when we got married, there was genuinely no surprises, and honestly, because we got engaged at such a young age,
Yeah.
we genuinely grew up together.
Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly.
So a lot of her likes, dislikes were like colored by me.
Yeah.
A lot of my likes and dislikes were colored by her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like I'm from Mangalore. So my favorite example of this. I come from Mangalore, where I grew up.
Same.
Right? So वहाँ पे, yeah, really?
Yeah. Yeah.
Banging. There's this place, Papa's Ice Cream. There's an ice cream parlor there. It's very famous.
Okay.
And everyone from Mangalore has like one sundae of theirs that they get from that shop.
Okay.
My ice cream was always this ice cream called Parfit.
Okay.
And hers was chocolate dad. But because of her, I started eating chocolate dad. Now I'm a chocolate dad person. Like,
Oh.
like I have also changed
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
through
yeah.
the course of
of
the
course.
relationship.
Yeah,
Right? So when we
absolutely.
got married and we started living together, we didn't really skip a beat between
Yeah.
before marriage and after marriage. The marriage itself was super stressful.
Yeah.
But really, our relationship wise, like we were already on the same page, you know. Like
Yeah.
our honeymoon was to Goa and Mahabaleshwar. Because I didn't want, because already my parents were spending so much money on the wedding and all that.
Yeah.
I was like, I can't afford an international trip. So we'll do what I can afford. I had just bought a car. I love road trips. So I was like, would you want to do a road trip? So we'll go to Mahabaleshwar. We got married and 2 days later was my birthday. So I was like, we'll spend my birthday in Mahabaleshwar, cold. Then we'll go to the beach in Goa.
That is very
We stayed in the
A bit of
nicest
both.
places. Yeah, we stayed in the nicest places. We drove all the way.
That's beautiful.
Insane.
Because I like driving, I bought a manual car. So I had asked her कि वो ऑटोमेटिक चलाती थी. मैं उसको बोला कि अपने चाचा किसी को बता कि तू मैनुअल सीख के आ प्लीज.
वेज आदमी नॉन-वेज आदमी वेज खा सकता है.
Exactly, 100%. Yeah,
Vegetarian.
dude, I remember that was our first fight actually on the highway to Goa. She was driving, and you know, classic boyfriend husband on the side, like don't do this, don't do that.
Yeah.
So to be fair, this was the first time driving on a highway.
Okay.
Okay.
And I have driven a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
At that point also, and this was her first time driving on the highway. So I'm telling her like the rules are slightly different on the highway
Yes.
than like there
Yeah,
are
on
actually
a-
rules. You want to give your indicator, you want to pay attention. I remember once she overtook from the left on the highway, and I freaked out. She's like, "What's the big deal?" And I'm like, "No, it's a huge deal. It's a huge deal. This car is not 5-star rated also." Yeah, but yeah, man, that was a great trip. We did an international trip a year and a half, 2 years later. Once I made some money,
Yeah.
because obviously the 2 years thing worked
Yeah.
out. I stopped having a job and made some money. So we went to the UK to watch
Lovely.
Liverpool play.
Oh, you got it? Fun.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, the next day we went to watch Manchester, and she painted her face Manchester City colors, dude. this woman, dude, she was just like, "अरे free में color कर रहा है तो मैं कर दिया." So it was a wild time. It was a
Did
wild
you
time.
have a
is nice.
fight on
I
That
mean,
was
I'm
grounds to
not
have a
so
fight
petty, but I did like make a video about it. My wife cheated on me on my honeymoon. Like, that video, you know. She like legit Manchester City on her face, and we were
Nah.
fighting for the Premier League. It was
Valid. But
Sorry.
what do you think about, you know, there's a lot of people that say that you're not supposed to fall asleep with or you're not supposed to fall asleep angry with your partner. What do you think of that?
It is an interpersonal thing again. Like me and Mariam, we don't fall asleep with
Period.
anger
Okay.
because I am an extremely like, nahi, mere ko problem abhi solve karne hai.
Same.
Same.
Right now.
Yes.
And this is a huge friction point between me and
Yeah,
her.
okay.
Because she's an avoidant person.
Yes.
It's like abhi ladai hogi hai to abhi baat nahi karenge. I was like, no, abhi baat karenge. Right now, 3:23 p.m. I have to go to a meeting at 3:30, but we will have this fight right now.
Yes.
Yeah. But most of our fights have been petty enough that they are easily solvable.
Yeah.
We've not had huge, like, I think our biggest fight happened before we got married. Because at that time, the pressure was just so high
Yeah.
for her, for me.
And it's also new
much-
for you also.
Yeah, dude, like, it was like a crazy time.
Yeah.
Like, during my whole wedding, I was very, like, so stressed, honestly. Like, so that was the only, like, I would say, the toughest period that we've had. Apart from that, we've had, like, fights about, like,
Chotu motu.
matlab, they are not chotu motu at the time. In hindsight, they're
In
always chotu
hindsight,
motu,
they're
you
like,
know?
yeah, fair.
And she has a huge problem with technology.
Okay.
And I'm the tech
She's
guy.
just a girl.
Yeah, and I'm the tech guy.
Yeah.
And sometimes, bro, this shit just doesn't work. So, like, I remember, like, last 6 months ago, I was in Bali for a corporate show. Okay, Airport Cargo Authority of India was doing, like, whatever their thing. They flew me down and I told them jokes. And I spent, like, 5 days there. During that time, she styles for Shark Tank. So, रात को
Yeah.
Shark Tank पे वो बहुत गाड़ी में बहुत इधर उधर जा रही थी. We bought a new car. And her CarPlay, for whatever reason, won't connect. Every other phone in existence connects. Just her phone doesn't connect. And
Oh no.
couldn't figure out why. The car service people couldn't figure out why. I couldn't figure out why. She couldn't figure out why. So like at like 1 a.m. Liverpool Manchester United I'm watching at like a pub in Bali, and she's called and she's crying, I'm gonna throw this car into a ditch. This fucking bitch of a car. And I'm like, Mariam, calm down. Oh shit, Salah's missed it. I'm going through the emotions. Yeah. So our biggest fight happened from my memory is when I wanted to. She was doing an international trip, and I wanted to switch her physical SIM to an eSIM so that she can have 2 eSIMs on her phone. The second eSIM,
Yeah.
when
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
local SIM wherever she goes. And because when you do that, something went wrong
Okay.
in that process. So her phone went off, like no network at
So
all.
it was your problem.
Yeah.
Your fault.
My fault, and this is during like she was doing a styling project at this time, so she has to a lot of coordinate. So it was a really bad situation,
Yeah.
but she was yelling at me. And I just want to say, I just want to say, I understand that like this is my department, but it's not my fault. You know, I followed all the
Hurry
steps.
upstream, hey!
I know all of you will always be, but I'm just saying I followed all the steps correctly.
I feel like there's a tear gonna come down.
I followed all the steps.
Shouted at me.
And I kept telling her, let's just go to Airtel ka service center. They will fix this problem. But she was so pissed. She was so pissed that she refused to go there. And the problem is, I can't go and fix it. Because they need her presence to be like, Aadhaar card, you are person, this is your SIM card.
Yeah.
Like, they need like physically to check. I can't just take her Aadhaar card and like fix this SIM and this phone. They're like, no, the person has to come because all the bank accounts are attached and it's like a security concern.
Yeah.
And she refused to. She's like, मैं नहीं जाऊंगी. Okay. Like every half an hour I'm coming like, do you want to go now? Because like 5 बजे दुकान बंद हो जाएगी, कल तुझे थाईलैंड के लिए निकलना है. So like,
Oh shit.
we need to solve this. Yeah, that was the biggest fight.
Wow.
She locked the door. I was banging on the door broke. I had to pay for that door also.
Of course. But she yelled at you.
Yeah,
But she yelled at you.
No.
yeah, it was a bad time.
I'm on your team, by the way, Mariam.
Mariam, we love
We
you.
made-
We love
You're
you.
funnier than him.
No, 1 minute. Y'all make it sound like this is like you should know this when you're born.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's what pisses us off
Fair.
more. It's like, bhai, you learnt it along the way. Teach me also. So when you're also not
Yeah.
aware around, I can
This is
help
targeted
myself.
towards you.
I'll tell you. I'll give you another example.
Uh-huh.
This one time, my whole family around, Mariam is in tears because
What did you do?
airdrop नहीं चल रहा. उसके phone से उसके MacBook पे airdrop नहीं जा रहा. ठीक है?
Okay.
Because she wants to edit a reel and it's not happening and she's not able to send the thing and she's mad and like everybody's around and she's crying and I'm trying to console her and she's yelling at me and I'm like, what do I do here? Turn it off and turn it on. Now the thing is, and the same thing happened with the CarPlay thing also. When you first connect, sometimes if you press no or something like that, that connection breaks and then it won't Like you have to turn your computer off and phone off and then turn it on
reset
again,
and
reset and
then,
everything and do it again like
Yeah.
that. So that's the process you need to go through. Okay. With the CarPlay thing in the car, also what happened was the first time it connected, she said no to some prompt,
Okay.
and then one of her friends, this dude who has had this happen to him, was like inside the settings, buried in like layer number 3, is there this one button
Yeah.
where you turn it on and it works. He turned it on, it started working. So it was her fault
But was it
all
though?
along.
But
Was it though?
Because she has this habit of like, I'm doing this tech thing and I'm just gonna quickly press all the buttons so something will work.
See,
And
our
that
first-
always
I
causes
get her.
problems.
See,
I get
first,
her.
as female, our first response to everything is no.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, exactly.
And
This-
it should be like that. Why should we say yes so easily?
Oh my
I
god, I
agree.
need Mariam on the
Yeah.
pod now. We need
We need her.
we need the 4 of us to talk this out.
We
I'll
need
tell
her.
you what made me so mad, so fucking mad. It was our exam time, and this man, he's doing full split screen and cheating and all of that, and he was sitting in front of me, and then I was like, "ये तो मुझे नहीं आता."
Bro, split
Right.
screen is easy.
I was young though at that time, just started.
Clock it.
Easy, right? No, I had just started using
Ah, okay.
my laptop for the very first time.
Fair.
And then he was doing all of that. I could see he's doing all of that. I was like, what the fuck, dude? And then we went out of the exam hall and he asked me, paper कैसा था? Like, तू बात मत कर मुझसे. तू बिल्कुल बात नहीं करेगा. He's like, क्यों? Then he's like, I saw you cheat. And he's like, even you cheat all the time during the exam. He's like, yeah, but not like you. How did you do it with the split screen and everything? He's like, it's easy. You do this and then you do. I'm like, don't. Not
Yeah,
now.
see,
Not
why?
now.
Why? I'm asking. Why can't you approach this problem with a more solution-oriented?
Because I don't want a
mindset?
solution. I want you to come
See.
and like console me and not give me a
Yeah.
solution because that's not what I want at that point.
See, the thing
Yes.
is, if I am going out, if
Simple.
I'm eating something which I know he will like, I'll get it for him, no? So if he knows he's cheating
See, the
onto
thing is-
something and he knows this will be beneficial to Srushti also, I should teach her.
On your side. On your side. But
Yeah.
the thing is, no, as dude, when I'm doing split screen, in my head, this is not magic. So I need to know that my girlfriend, wife, partner, friend does not know how to press 2 buttons. You know what I mean? Like, acha, blue wala button. Like,
Okay, see, I'm on your side because you're not assuming that we're stupid. You
Yeah.
assume that we know.
You-
But
we
we
should
don't.
Yeah, I'm saying I don't know that you don't know. So you come and tell me, hey, I don't know how to do split
But
screen.
you should know.
Hey,
But
here,
नहीं,
press
नहीं.
these 2 buttons, split screen.
But you should know that I don't know.
तुम लोग पूछते क्यों नहीं हो?
Yeah.
क्योंकि हमारे आसपास जितने भी लोग हैं ना सबको पता है.
नहीं,
So why are you
पूछना
hanging out
होता
with so
है.
many men? That is my question. You should start
There's
hanging out
3
with
of
more
you.
men.
My God. I can't win. I cannot win. Oh man.
So yeah,
I've
the
been- I-
solution is
and I
to
just
hang out
want
with
for the
women.
camera, I just want to know. You see how I was patient throughout this. This is exactly the patience I show with Mariam, but it is met with ferocious language and flinging objects.
And guess whose side we are on?
Yeah.
Mariam.
Yeah, man. These
Through
women,
and through.
these women, they flock together.
Come flock with us.
Yeah. That's why I'm here.
I think this is a great fucking note to end on. I
This
have
is so
had
fun. This is actually
so much fun. Have you had fun?
I've had a great time, dude. I've had a great time. Yeah, I was honestly nervous coming here.
Really?
Because I was like, what am I going to talk about? I don't know anything about South Bombay. And these girls are so South Bombay coded, dude. They're like, bro, they're doing this and all. I'm like,
You also
did it.
You
I'm
picked
like-
it up.
I'm like, this is a meme. Is this like in real life, IRL? Oh my God.
Okay, before we
Well,
let
yeah.
our audiences go, we have one last thing that
Yeah.
we asked them to do. So we asked them to comment an emoji. So, they've watched up until now. Do you have a favorite emoji or whatever you want?
Favorite emoji? My favorite emoji is what, a ring?
Yeah, we
Oh,
should
yeah.
do a ring for
Oh yeah.
your
Is there a ring emoji?
special.
There is.
There is.
You would know.
Wow.
You should
He
too.
doesn't believe us. He's
You
checking
should
right
too.
now.
because
So you don't
Are you actually checking?
No. So you don't send Mariam a good morning message with a ring emoji.
no, I already gave her a ring, right?
So you should leave it
You
there.
can type ring.
Yeah, I am.
These boomers.
Oh yeah. There is a diamond ring. Yeah.
Exactly. Thank
Yeah.
you.
There's a Saturn ring also. Cute.
Oh, you saw them now?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah.
So,
ring,
guys,
ring.
But yeah, do you want to plug your socials and your new
100%.
show that's coming.
Yes.
New stand-up show.
Yes. This is the last tour of the show, Shadi Shudai, the story of how I got married. For the audiences who are here, Mariam will not be at any of the shows. I am a stand-up comedian. I am touring with this show. Mariam is not going to travel to 12 different cities just to be like, hello. It would be it would be a waste of our time. That's why.
Yeah.
But if you like to hear my comedy, please come. Or hear about how we got married, please come. I'm doing Pune first, then Surat, Baroda, Ahmedabad, Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Mangalore, Goa, Delhi, Gurgaon, Noida.
Fun.
Yeah.
Lovely. How many cities?
I think 12.
Oh,
Lovely.
Yeah, and I'm recording the special in Bangalore, and we have some special treats for that show. So
Yum.
I think that'll be fun.
excited.
Please
I'm
come.
excited for you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Lovely.
Yes.
And
Yeah.
what about your socials?
Oh, my handle is officially Sane, and on Instagram and on YouTube and on Twitter, everywhere it's the same one. Please follow me.
Do it right now, bro. What are you doing?
Yeah, let's
And
get
while
it.
you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Yeah.
It's at Besharam. Don't
Yeah.
forget to comment the ring emoji to let us know that you've watched up until the end. Share this video, like this video, hype this video, and do all the good things.
If you're watching us on Instagram, make sure you share our reels with your significant others or anyone you don't want to be your significant other. Share
Yes.
it with everyone, man.
Yeah.
Comment nice things and follow us.
And if you listen to us on Spotify, don't forget to give us a good rating. It's just 5 stars. 5
Yeah.
rings, 5 stars. Do it right
Ooh.
now. Okay?
Yes.
Until
5
next
and 5
time.
stars.
Stay Besharam.
Bye-bye.